It's easy to see why the Toyota Yaris Hybrid has become such a popular choice for everyday driving. This is the Toyota Yaris 1.5 VVT-h Excel Automatic with just 42,327 warranted miles, only 2 owners from new and a full service history, showing it's been well looked after throughout its life. The 1.5 petrol hybrid engine works seamlessly with the smooth E-CVT automatic gearbox to deliver impressive fuel economy, low running costs, and a relaxed driving experience. It's equally suited to busy city streets, daily commuting, or longer motorway journeys. Being the Excel model, it comes packed with useful features including a reversing camera, Toyota Touch touchscreen, dual-zone climate control, cruise control, push-button start, automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and Bluetooth connectivity. It comes with fresh service, fresh MOT, 12 months free breakdown cover, and 3 months warranty, which can be extended for up to 2 years. Delivery can also be arranged nationwide.